I want to tell you, look, this side, this is a downspout right here. And to the right, you see no leaks, but not much water coming over here. Look, this little thing is not even wet right here. It's not even wet, that corner, that edge right there. But there's not much water over here. Look, okay? Now look, here is full of water. This is full of water, the gutter, because those leaves are making the obstruction. You see? Okay, those leaves don't help because holding too much water right there. Look, it's full. The gutter almost full. Don't you look? Okay, and now water over here. No water this side. No water this side. You see? You see how much water in there? All the water is on the other side. Look. Okay. Look. Okay. We want to handle it over there, but once you don't have leaf guards on it, that's gonna be the problem, and that's not under my warranty. Okay, I want to come and fix that time, only this time in the middle, but I just want to show you. Look, no water this side because the leaves holding the water on that side. Almost full over there in the middle. Almost full, and it's gonna be leaking, overflow. You see? You see? If I take water out of this thing, look. How much water over here? Yes, right here, yes. All right.